guys, it's Marla from marlameridith.com, and today I'm cooking up the most simple and delicious bacon, egg, and cheese breakfast casserole. This recipe is great for any breakfast, brunch, or any time you need to hit the road with a potluck dish, as it travels really easily. All right, so all you're gonna need for this super simple recipe are 18 large eggs, some grated cheddar cheese, whole milk, sour cream, green onions, lots of crispy bacon, butter to grease that pan over there, and salt and pepper. Okay guys, we've got the oven set to 325 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and bake the egg casserole for 40 to 45 minutes or until it's set. So while it's cooking, go ahead, do some laundry, go on a walk, do something creative, I don't know. And then it will be done and you'll be super happy. All right, casserole's out of the oven and it is looking awesome. For this recipe and many, many more, head on over to marlameridith.com. I'll see you over there. All right, guys, diving in. I get hungry when I do videos. So freaking good.